Greetings, Container Gardening Grow family. In this afternoon's video, we're going to be showing you guys the difference in what it's like growing pepper plants in GroTech GroBuckets versus growing pepper plants in regular containers. As I swing this camera around, you guys are going to be able to see one of our green bell pepper plants. As you can see, we have it growing here in this 5-gallon GroTech GroBucket. As I take you guys in for some close-ups, you're going to see that this plant is loaded. It is loaded with both blossoms and peppers in various stages of development. Now we planted this pepper plant and also this blonde pepper plant here. This is a blonde bell pepper plant at the same time in GroTech GroBuckets in the same grow medium. We fed them the exact same fertilizer. And as you can see, these plants are virtually the same height, and they're both loaded down with both peppers in various stages of development and blossoms all the way around the plant. They're looking fantastic for us here in these GroTech GroBuckets. And this Container Gardening Grow family is another green bell pepper plant. It's the same age as both of these plants here. As you guys can see, it's growing in the same grow medium. We've given it the exact same amount of fertilizer. And as you can see, this green bell pepper plant, although it does have a few blossoms on it, the foliage looks a lot different on this plant versus the foliage on those two plants. The foliage looks vibrant and healthy on those two bell pepper plants over there, both the blonde and the green bell pepper plant. They're full, highly productive. And this plant, although it's the same age, planted on the same day in the same grow medium, and it has been fed the same fertilizer, given the same amount of water, it's tiny. It does have a few, again, blossoms here and there. No peppers on it at this time. And the foliage is washed out and pale. Although it has been given fertilizer, has been given water, it's been placed in the same area, grow area, as these two plants here. And this Container Gardening Grow family is the difference between growing in regular containers versus growing vegetables in GroTech GroBuckets. Still not using GroTech GroBuckets? You should be.